If OneNote is showing error 0X803D0005, don't worry, this is usually a sign that there is a saved sign-in or cache issue on your PC. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest fix step by step. We'll clear the credentials that may be causing the problem, then we'll remove browser cookies and cache that can interfere with Microsoft sign-in. This is a simple process and you can follow along even if you're not very technical. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and OneNote fixes. Let's get into it. First, open the Start menu and type Credential Manager, then click it when it appears in the search results. Credential Manager stores saved sign-in information for apps and websites, and sometimes a corrupted Microsoft credential can trigger this exact OneNote error. Once Credential Manager opens, click the Windows Credentials tab. This is where Windows keeps login details for Microsoft services, Office apps, and other system connections. Now scroll down until you find the Generic Credentials section. In this section, look carefully for any items named something like Microsoft Office 15's data, or any credential that looks linked to your Microsoft account email address. These entries are often the ones that cause sync or sign-in conflicts inside OneNote. When you find one, click the small drop-down arrow next to it so you can expand the details. After that, click Remove or Delete. If you see more than one relevant Microsoft credential, remove each one that matches Office or your account. Do not worry, this will not delete your files or notebooks. It only clears the stored sign-in token, so OneNote can create a fresh connection. Once you have removed the problem credentials, restart your PC. This restart is important because it fully resets the background sign-in services and helps Windows rebuild the authentication process cleanly. After your computer starts back up, launch OneNote again. When OneNote prompts you to sign in, complete the password sign-in request and let it refresh your account connection. In many cases, this alone fixes the 0X803D0005 error and allows OneNote to open normally again. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear your browser data, because Microsoft sign-in can also be affected by old cookies and cached files. Open your default internet browser, such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In the menu, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the files most likely to interfere with Microsoft authentication pages. Next, change the time range to all time so everything related to the sign-in issue is cleared out completely. Then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser completely and try opening OneNote again. This fresh sign-in path often resolves the error because OneNote and Microsoft Office can use browser-based authentication during login. If the issue is gone, great, you're all set. If not, you may want to repeat the credential cleanup carefully and make sure every Microsoft Office 16 or account-related entry has been removed. The main idea here is to force OneNote to stop using any old saved sign-in information and build a new, clean session from scratch. That usually resolves error 0X803D0005 very effectively. If this tutorial helped you get OneNote working again, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech fixes, Windows troubleshooting, and Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.